If you still use AliExpress for dropshipping in 2024, you're going to lose a ton of money because AliExpress is not very reliable. If you want to have any success with dropshipping, you need high quality suppliers that you can depend on long term. And while AliExpress has improved in recent years with choice delivery and 5-day shipping on many of their products, they're not somebody that you can count on. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to find private suppliers that can get you fast shipping, high quality products with quality control in place, custom packaging and branding like your logo on your products, good inventory management, as well as low pricing to increase your profit margins and scale your brand. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into it. Now, I know many AliExpress listings guarantee 5 to 7 day delivery, but a lot of times your products are sent out late or not at all. And even if they are, most suppliers can't keep up with the demand as you start to scale your store and get more sales. This results in angry customers and a lot of problems like refunds, chargebacks, disputes, and even lawsuits if there's enough unhappy customers with your brand. So we need to find high quality private suppliers for all of our stores. Let's jump into my laptop and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, I've mentioned many times on this channel that it's all right to use AliExpress when you're first getting started and validating a product idea, because you don't want to go through the trouble of finding private suppliers just to find out that there's no demand for your product. So you guys can see that this listing right here on AliExpress has choice delivery and they guarantee 5-day delivery, or you get a coupon for any late delivery. And this is great for when you're first getting started and getting 5 to 10 orders a day. But once you start getting, say, anywhere between 50 and 100 orders a day, AliExpress can no longer keep up with that demand. You'll start getting late orders sent out, and a lot of times these suppliers will start sending fake tracking numbers. And you don't find out until it's too late and you start getting chargebacks on your store. And while chargebacks will take away from all your profit, Shopify charges you a $15 chargeback fee, so your profit will go into the negative. So to avoid all that, let's talk about how to find private suppliers once you verify the demand for your product and start to make more than, say, 10 sales a day. This will also decrease your costs in the long run and allow you to build a branded store. This will keep your customers coming back time and time again when they have a high quality experience with your brand. Because a lot of customers that receive AliExpress products are just one and done with your store. They'll never buy from you again. So I have 3 different options for high quality suppliers when you're first getting started. Let's start with number 1. So one option that many dropshippers like to use is Zendrop. You guys can see once you sign into Zendrop over here, you have many options on the left hand side. You guys have the option for branding. You guys can add your logo to your products or create custom packaging and thank you cards. You guys can create bundles and boxes of your different products. You guys can find and spot different trends that are working for other dropshippers. You guys can actually source AliExpress products to be sourced through Zendrop. If you guys scroll up and click find products right here, you guys can see an entire list of products sourced by Zendrop that are working for other dropshippers. If you guys spot anything that you like, you can click add to my products and you can access them all over here under my products. At the top of this page, you have a ton of search criteria right here. You guys can look up certain products. You guys can select ships from US or China. You guys can look at different niches or categories. You guys can select all suppliers or sort through different suppliers like Zendrop FulFillman right here. And you guys can sort by different price ranges. Now let's review their pricing real quick. Zendrop is actually free to get started with, and they give you everything you need to start selling on there while you're ready to grow your store. They also have the Pro plan for $49 a month or the Plus plan for $79 a month, which gives you access to a ton of cool features like $100 in order credits, automatic fulfillment, unlimited orders, custom branding, and so much more. So another option that many dropshippers like to use is USA Drop. USA Drop has an entire directory of winning products that are working for other brands that you can see right here, but they'll also source and fulfill any winning product that you need to from their USA warehouses. You guys can see how their entire fulfillment process works right here. They integrate directly with Shopify. They give you your own sales agent to make sure all of your demands are met, and they hold all of your products in their own warehouses without charging you any fees, and they offer 5 to 12 day express shipping, but keep in mind, there are still many other services that offer faster shipping than this. Now, just like Zendrop, they offer custom branding with options like custom products and packaging with your logo on them, professional photography services, as well as custom thank you cards sent out in all of your orders. You guys can see some of the services offered down here. Thank you cards, custom packaging, and so much more. Now, overall, the best option in terms of quality control, custom packaging and branding, the fastest shipping, and the cheapest cost is by far FulFillman. FulFillman is by far the best AliExpress alternative supplier that you can work with. So let's go over some of the services that they actually offer. FulFillman is the dropshipping supplier I've been using for the last couple of years to fulfill all of my products for all of my dropshipping stores. Once I validate a product idea through AliExpress, I instantly move over to FulFillman to source all of my products, warehouse them, and fulfill every single order I get. FulFillman is a 3PL or a third-party logistics service, meaning they will source all of your products, they'll warehouse all of your products, they can create custom branding like thank you cards, your logo on your products, custom packaging, or whatever else you need, and they'll fulfill all of your products with their own private line of logistics, oftentimes 6-day shipping or less. For many of my own dropshipping stores, I have 4-day shipping to the US. This beats all of the other suppliers we've already gone over. You guys can see exactly how their dropshipping process works right here. You'll start making sales on your own dropshipping store. They'll source all of your products for you and store them in their own warehouses. They have really good quality control measures in place to make sure you're only sending out high quality products to your customers. They'll ship out your products to your customers with their own private line of logistics and update all of your tracking numbers automatically. And they're very transparent throughout this entire process. You'll get your own dedicated account manager that keeps you up to date with everything to do with your business. This allows you to take a step back and only focus on selling your products. They offer many additional services like branding that no other suppliers offer. You guys can see the custom flyers you can make right here for your own brand. You guys can make your own custom packaging. You guys can add your logo to stickers. You guys can create gift cards for your brand and so much more. They also offer custom product photography done in their own in-house studio that you guys can see right here. And they offer many types of different photos, all with professional editing. You guys can see you have photos with model, hand model, graphic design, 360 spin videos, white background, lifestyle images, and so much more. So if you guys want to try out my private supplier that I've been using for all of my dropshipping brands, I'll leave a link down below to check out FulFillman. Just select get a free quote, fill out a little more information about your brand, and they'll get back to you pretty quickly. Like I already mentioned, they provide the most services like branding and custom packaging, product photography. They have the cheapest costs and the fastest shipping of any of the suppliers out there. So I highly recommend checking out FulFillman when you're ready to scale your dropshipping brand. Ditching AliExpress and using these suppliers is the best thing that you can do if you want to have success with dropshipping. Dropshipping is a real business and it needs to be treated as such. If you guys want to learn more about private suppliers and dropshipping in general, I have a free course linked down below that can help you get started. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.